Hey guys,
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pam,
I'm Javon.
and what are we doing today? I think it's obvious, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Mukbang.
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 So today we're gonna try some Portuguese chicken.
Portuguese chicken on the grill, on the charcoal, and we have fries, salad. We also have the famous Portuguese drink, sumo, pineapple. My favorite. Is it your favorite?
Yeah, I like this one.
And we got something special.
Oh, yeah.
We receive our hot sauce. So our fellow YouTuber Polly is making her own hot sauce, and she was nice to send it to us here in Canada.
Thank you, Polly, for your hot sauce. I always want to try it. And,
We're gonna try it tonight with our Portuguese chicken,
Oh yeah,
and I think it's gonna be fire.
I received it today.
We got it today in the mail.
Yeah, I can't wait to open it.
She does mukbang, she does recipes,
Yeah.
and she's super funny. She has an amazing energy. She's a hardworking woman, so
Very nice lady.
we decided to encourage her. It's gonna be good.
Open my nice package. Thanks, Polly. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute.
Will they give you a service ticket? Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Oh,
So nice, Polly.
so nice.
Good. Thank you.
Aww. That's so her. Go check your channel, guys.
If this is not a knockoff, this is a real deal.
Okay, so we have Polly's famous hot sauce here, and we are ready.
Ooh.
Cheers, guys. This is gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, first bite.
It's good.
This is the first bite. Fry with the hot sauce. Whoops.
Yeah, it's good sauce.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god.
It's good, no?
This is so good. It's sweet and spicy.
At the same time.
Polly,
You know,
this
what,
is...
you know what you're doing.
You got some good stuff there. She shipped across US, and she can arrange shipment also to Canada. Alright guys. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like there's lemon. Scotch bonnet for sure. Lemon.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet.
Sugar inside.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Polly, send me some more sauce. We need some more.
Yeah, it's good.
It's very good. Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. If that's right, it's just right. Oh yeah. I forgot about these sauce, but this is good.
There must be like salt, vinegar, lime juice, Scotch bonnet. It's not too spicy, guys. It's very good. It's just right.
Just right.
Mm-hmm. I think we're gonna finish this hot sauce very fast.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. It's some good stuff.
Some good Caribbean flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
She knows what she's doing.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. This is good. My mouth is on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
What time is it? Is it curfew time yet?
Yeah, guys, this chicken is so good.
Yeah.
We made a video
You remind me of jerk chicken.
a little bit.
It's charcoal.
Ooh, my nose is running now.
I told you it's on fire. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. Polly'S sauce is the bomb.
But I knew it was gonna be good just by the way she cooks her stuff. She used the right ingredients, the right spices.
Oh yeah. This is a review of Polly'S sauce.
Yeah, forget about the mukbang. Just go get Polly'S sauce.
When I get it. If it's the real deal. And out of 10,
That's a 10 for me.
yeah, 10?
It's so well balanced. It's like just spicy enough, just sweet enough. You feel the salt.
It's not crazy,
you feel
crazy.
The lemon. It's so well balanced. It's super good.
Look, I already finished it.
Hey.
It's not gonna last long.
Oh yeah.
Imagine we just take the smaller one without finishing 30 seconds. I eat hot sauce with everything.
That's true.
What
about you guys? I wonder if people eat hot sauce like you with everything. People that are watching us. Comment down below, guys.
No matter what it is, I put hot sauce. Sometimes
I put already spices like Scotch bonnet in my dish, and he doesn't even taste it, and he's gonna pour hot sauce on top of it, and I'm like, don't do that, it's already spicy. But he doesn't care. He needs his hot sauce.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet and chili is two different things, two different flavors.
Scotch bonnet is sweeter. It almost feels like a fruit. When you eat a Scotch bonnet without the seeds,
yep,
it almost feels fruity.
Yeah, this is good. Don't say I'm crazy, but I like Scotch bonnet pepper. Give you good vibes.
We're almost finished. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet.
To be. I like my chicken bone, guys. I like cracking bones. Do you like cracking bones?
Nope.
No. Sometimes I wait for Pam Pam to finish with her bones. Yeah, I want to travel back home.
When?
I can't wait to go for a vacation, like a good vacation on the beach, chilling in the hills, in Blue Mountain, and you know, on the river, White River. You know,
White River
the Spanish Bridge
is so beautiful. The first time Javon brought me to White River in Jamaica,
you fall in love with it.
oh my god!
I was telling her the water is blue.
I couldn't believe how beautiful the scenery was, and I'm gonna put a picture of the Spanish Bridge for sure. In 2021, we have to jump on a plane.
Yeah,
it's been too long now.
Yeah, I don't care anymore.
We have to go to Jamaica because
or any other country than Canada.
No, we have to go where it's hot. Jamaica.
I know you want to go to Jamaica. You want to try Mother's.
I miss Mother's so much.
An island grill.
If you know what Mother's is, comment down below.
Mother's and island grill.
Man, no, but Mother's, breakfast at Mother's. And it's so inexpensive. It's so worth it.
In the morning, I get my peanut porridge and I'm in the corn. Someday I'm in the corn porridge, peanut porridge.
And I get my ackee and saltfish, my fried dumplings.
Yeah.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah.
For like $3. That's crazy.
That's a bomb. I like that.
And then you go walk by the beach. You just enjoy life over there.
And some nice Jamaican patty in the daytime. Orange juice.
From Juicy Patty.
Juicy patty, tasty patty. I like tasty patty but more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a Jamaican patty with cheese, guys? The last time I went to Jamaica, I tried one.
Yeah, super good.
My God.
And,
Jamaican patty with cheese.
Chicken patty.
I like beef patty.
Yeah, I like the beef patties. Chicken patty's good. I'm a chicken guy, so I could eat chicken right around the clock, non-stop. And if you know Javon, you know he's a chicken guy. Real chicken guy.
Chicken and fish, nothing else.
Nothing else, I'm sorry. I could eat fish and chicken. But when you buy the barbecue one...
Buy the barbecue KFC in Jamaica? Oh, Lord.
Something else. I let you try it. She said, no, I don't want it. It's not good in Canada. Why should I buy it here? I said, babe, it's not the same.
And it's true, it's not.
She said, let me taste piece. I give her, and she take the whole box. It's like good.
And I kept going back to KFC during my trip to Jamaica because we have a video. You're making that type of if you saw our video on 2 Ways Fried Chicken, the one with the sauce, that's what they call barbecue fried chicken, and it's like it's fried, but then they put a barbecue sauce on it, and it's like a little bit smoky, spicy, and sweet. It's so delicious. It has nothing to do with the chicken here.
No, come back.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm done. Thank you once again, Polly. Your sauce is amazing. I'm so happy we ordered it, and we're gonna order more. Guys, go check her out. Polly's World.
Super fantastic.
Polly's famous hot sauce. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share,
and subscribe.
Subscribe if you're new here.
Be safe, guys. You know what I mean? See you guys in the club.
Nope.
Yeah, no club for us.
No club.
Sorry guys,
Bye,
club is closed. Bye. You know what I mean?
That was good.
You like Polly sauce?
Yeah, it's good.
You know what Polly says? Make it partner in Canada.
Polly, we already ate a third of it. Get ready.
Almost half. Oh my god, I'm full. Courtesy of Polly sauce chicken.
That was good, but I think we ate too much of it.
You know, since we started doing YouTube, we started gaining weight. We're not taking it off.
There was a study that it's proven that mukbangs make people influence people to eat more. Yeah.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, I mean, you're in control. It's just your willpower that should, kick in. Yeah.
Or punch out.
Or punch out.
Yeah. You said that kicking a punch.
I got you.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
So guys,
We already said bye.
alright, say
Bye
bye.
now.
Bye.